Hello, Artemis here. Welcome to Santa Rita Ranch. Today we are at Perry Homes 3023, which means 3,023 square feet. Now, every Perry home has a number that indicates its size. So this is 3,023 square feet. What you're gonna love about this home, before we go show you, is the openness. The second story game room overlooks the living room, so whether you're downstairs or upstairs entertaining your family, you're gonna love the sense of spaciousness in this floor plan. There are beautiful windows throughout this house. Perry is known for their windows, floor to ceiling, lots of natural light. You're gonna love the feeling and the look of this house when we tour it. And finally, Perry is known for their quality. 50 years in the making in Texas, Perry builds all over Texas, and at Santa Rita Ranch, you're gonna get some of the best floor plans, the best homes. Now, this is number 3 of our home tour of all the homes in Santa Rita Ranch. Make sure to check out our playlist to see all the other model homes here, and let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to this beautiful model home by Perry Homes at Santa Rita Ranch. This house is 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. And right when you walk in, the first thing you're gonna notice is the beautiful high ceilings with the game room upstairs, and your office is immediately to your left. Here's your office right in the front of the house. So imagine waking up in the morning, nice cup of coffee, getting right to work with all this natural light coming in. Perry Homes spares no expense with their base models. So when you're buying a Perry house, you're gonna get 8-foot doors. Really nice upgrade. Walking through the foyer, this will be your garage space on the right. Now this is the model home, so they make these the offices. And here we are, washroom to your left. Look at this kitchen. Now we have a beautiful quartz island here, about 8 feet, farmhouse sink, gourmet 5-burner gas stove, all GE stainless steel appliances in this model home. White cabinets, making the kitchen look very open and bright and beautiful. Now this model home is for sale. So if you're looking to purchase this home or any home in Santa Rita Ranch, click that link below this video, and we look forward to hearing from you. As you're walking through the living room, your first guest bedroom is on your left with a full bathroom just adjacent to it. And your guest bedroom. Now walking through the living room, beautiful 25-foot vaulted ceilings in our living room. And this is an upgrade in this model home. This is a sliding glass door that opens twice. So imagine in a summer or fall afternoon, just all that fresh air flowing in through the backyard to the front yard. Covered back patio with custom tile upgrade. Got a nice little outdoor kitchen. Now, if you get an inventory home, we got some great teams that can install an outdoor kitchen like this. You got your sink, custom refrigerator, and gas grill. All in the back patio. Great for entertaining family and friends, enjoying a nice summer cookout. So before we check out the master bedroom, let's go look at some of the inventory on the ground so you can see what's available right now in Santa Rita Ranch. Let's go take a look. Here we are at a Perry home on the ground right now. Now this inventory home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and these houses are priced between $500,000 and $660,000. The home right next door is also available. And if you're looking for that perfect home for you and your family, great schools, privacy in the backyard, click that link tree below this video for a no obligation consultation call, and let's go inside and see this home. First thing you're going to notice in this inventory is the vaulted ceilings, 25 feet up, beautiful open floor plan in the kitchen. Now they're just putting the finishing touches in this home, so there's a little rough around the edges. But we have a great addition of privacy in the backyard, backing up to a stone fence. All right, welcome back. Let's go stay at the master bedroom. So here we are in the master bedroom. Beautiful natural light flowing in from the Perry windows. And this home and floor plan features a custom garden tub. This is a 5-foot soaking tub for evening baths with a his and hers sink to your left and to your right. Really nice addition to this 3023 floor plan is the garden tub with your own shower. So some people like baths, some people like showers. You can do both in this floor plan. And now the master closet in 3023 right here. And you tell me, is this large enough for you? Can you fit your wardrobe in here? Comment below this video and tell us what you like about this house. I love the custom wood railings here in Perry. Lots of nice upgrades and standard finishes in this floor plan. Now here's your game room. And with 3,023 square feet, this game room overlooks the living room for that sense of openness, spaciousness. Really nice for entertaining day or night. You're gonna love the way the energy flows in this model floor plan. Now we have 3 bedrooms upstairs. This is our 3rd bedroom of the house. And this bedroom has its own adjacent full bath right here, right next to it. So for big families, we got our 4th bedroom right here. And then finally, our 5th bedroom is right at the end, and this bedroom has its own full bathroom. So in this model, they made it an office, but this could be for one of your teenagers, maybe an in-law, anyone who needs their own private bathroom. This 5th bedroom has its own full bath. Thank you for watching this video of Perry Homes 3023. This is home tour number 3 of our playlist of all the home tours of Santa Rita Ranch. Make sure to check out that playlist for many more beautiful homes here, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Greetings from the Austin City Brothers. Thank you for watching our latest video.
You may be wondering, what's it like to work with our team to help you in your home buying journey? Here, we're going to take you through the 7-step process that we have designed to help you succeed in finding the perfect home.
So let's dive in. Step 1 is the initial consultation. Before we start your home search, we take you through a Zoom call where we get to know each other. This is where we do a deep dive into your current situation, your desires, and your needs for your home and family. We want to nail down the top 4 to 5 criteria, and then through our geographic competence, help you find the right neighborhoods, the best schools, and lifestyle that matches all of your needs.
Next step is our buyer representation agreement. If we are a good fit and we decide to work with each other, we will then send you a buyer's representation agreement to solidify our relationship for providing expert service to help you secure the right home.
Now, step 3 is the right financing. Now, listen very carefully here because you might be wondering about financing in your home buying journey. We have expert loan officers with decades of experience and an assortment of loan products, including jumbo loans from private hedge funds. A loan from a private bank can get your interest rate down a full 1% below the competition, saving you around $1,000 per month in your monthly mortgage and cutting out the middleman. So if you're looking for any type of loan product, especially a jumbo loan, reach out to us.
Next step is the home tours. This is where we're going to explore the best neighborhoods that match the lifestyle and the top 5 criteria we have discovered earlier in our initial consultation. This step is all about finding the perfect fit.
Step 5 is the contract and negotiation. Once we've found that perfect home for you, we get to work negotiating the best terms for you, backed by a thorough comparative market analysis. We don't want you to pay too much for your home. Our goal is to ensure you get the most value possible and that you don't overpay.
Step number 6 is inspections and final negotiations. After the contract is signed, it's time to send out an inspector. If there are any costly damages to the home that needs to be fixed before you move in, this is where we want to start the second round of negotiations to make sure that every term is right for you.
We are master negotiators and we love that part of the transaction. Now, step 7 is closing day. This is where you celebrate. We make the closing day as smooth as possible by staying on top of all the communications to ensure all the terms of the contract are met for you and your family.
In addition, we have expert moving services, utility setup, and even a whole house water filtration system on top of Vastu enhancement if that is one of the services that you are looking for.
If you're interested in Vastu, check out the card right here in our videos so you can learn more about Vastu enhancements of your home. We are here at the Austin City Brothers to make your move to Austin a breeze.
Thank you for watching this video. We're looking forward to work with you very soon.
Click that link below the video with our link tree to schedule your no obligation consultation call today.